I will solve this equation. I will solve for W. This is a two-step equation, except there's one thing we need to do in order to bring it to that form. There's these parentheses and a number in front of the parentheses. We have to do the distributive property before we solve a two-step equation. So we need to distribute this -4 to each term in the algebraic expression. So we're going to distribute the -4 to the W and to the 1. Okay. So remember, distributive property, you multiply the number in front of the parentheses by each term in the algebraic expression that's in the parentheses. So -4 gets multiplied by W, and -4 gets multiplied by 1. From there, you just simplify. -4 times W, that's just -4W. And here, -4 times 1 is just -4. From there, you can subtract the -4, but I'm going to do, instead of doing that, I'm going to rewrite this plus -4 as -4. We know that subtracting a number is the same as adding the negative of that number. So right here, we know that this step is valid. We did everything. We're allowed to do that. And from there, we're going to add 4 to both sides. When we add 4 to both sides, on the left side of the equation, -4 plus 4, that's 0. So all we have on the left side of the equation is this -4W, -4W. And on the right side of the equation, we got to think, what is -24 plus 4? So we're thinking -24 plus 4. So you want to think, okay, we're adding. So we want to go in the positive direction whenever we add. And our starting number is -24. So imagine you start at -24 and you go 4 steps in the positive direction. What number do you end up at? You should end up at -20. So this right here, -20. And now we're looking at a one-step equation. Let's take it over here. -4W is equal to -20. You divide both sides of the equation by -4. And then you have W is equal to -20 over -4 is going to be +5. Remember, when you have a positive times a positive, your solution is positive. When you have a negative times a negative, your solution is positive. And then when you have a positive times negative, your solution is negative. Negative times positive, solution is negative. So if the signs are the same, then your solution is positive. If the signs are different, your solution is negative. And so division works the same way. If you divide two numbers that are positive, you get a positive. If you divide two numbers that are negative, you get a positive, and then if they are different signs, then the solution is negative. So here I'm doing negative 20 divided by negative 4. My solution is positive 5. And that is what I get. There is another way of solving a problem like this, and I will do another video where I go through how to solve this problem, but using a slightly different, doing it slightly different way. So if you're interested in that, go to the next video in this series of videos. And if you have any questions, let me know. And I will see you in the next video.